Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 simple ways to make money online in 2025. This method requires little to no investment and you can start any right away. So let's get started. Number one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote products and earn commission. Sign up for affiliate programs, share your product link, and earn money when someone makes a purchase through your link. It is a great way to earn a passive income. Second one is freelancing. Sell your skills online by joining platforms like Fiverr, Upworks. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or coding, you can work with a client from all over the world and set your own rates. Another great option is online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, you can offer lessons on a platforms like VP, Kids, or Prepare. Teach languages, maths, or any subject you are good at. Get paid by hours. Talk about content creation. You can monetize your YouTube channel, TikTok account, or blog through ad, sponsorship, and affiliate link. If you enjoy creating content, this can be a fun way to make money online while sharing your passion. Another one is dropshipping. It is another excellent way to make money online. With dropshipping, you can sell products without holding any inventory. Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify and partner with buyers who ship directly to your customers. It is a low risk way of starting an online business. Moving to the next, selling digital products, which is actually my breast. This is one of the best way to earn passive income. Create ebooks, online courses, or printables and sell them on a platform like Gumroad, Seller, etc. Once created, these products can sell over and over and over again. The next point I'm going to be talking about is photography, stock photography. Upload photos on websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock and you will earn money each time someone downloads your image. It is a great way to monetize your photography hobby. Another simple way to earn is by becoming a virtual assistant. Businesses and entrepreneurs are always looking for help with admin tasks like email management, social media, and scheduling. You can work remotely and help them stay organized while earning from the comfort of your home. Again, you can also get paid for your opinion through survey sites. Sign up on platforms like Swagbox or Survey Junkie and you can earn cash or gift cards by completing surveys. It is an easy and low effort way of making some extra money. Finally, we have print demand. This is where you can design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases and sell them on a platform like Redbubble or T Pricing. They handle the production and the shipping. So all you need is to focus in creating awesome design. So before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and strategies on how to make money online. Hit the notification bell so that you will not miss out on any of my latest content. And again, if you want me to make a video on how to start these businesses I have listed, comment in the comment section by telling me which of this business you want me to make a video to explain in details how to start making money with it. Thanks for watching and remember to choose the method that fits your skills and interests. Start today and watch earning grow in 2025. 2024 is coming to an end. Make sure you start now to start learning these skills that will help you monetize your new year 2025. Thanks and bye for now.